How to log out of your Facebook account on other device. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you log out all devices from your Facebook account. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you will get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on menu. From the menu section, at the top right, tap on settings. From settings and privacy, tap on account center. From account center, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option password and security. From the section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option where you are logged in. After you tap on that, select your Facebook account. And from here, you will be able to find every logins that are accessing your Facebook account. Simply to log out, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on select devices to log out. After you tap on that, you'll be able to select those devices whom you want to log out of your Facebook ID. Simply you can go with the option select all. After you tap on that, simply tap on logout at the bottom. Alright, tap on logout. After you tap on that, you'll be able to log out every devices you have been selected. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more social media tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.